starboard side. They're ready.
All right. Rod holders. That's a master. Is that maceration? Right here. Is that just a cooler storage?
It's just a cooler.
All right.
She's got the full spec sheet, factory spec sheet.
Perfect. Pro Marine charger. Fusion stereo. Salt water, fresh water washed out. Ladder. Ray Marine screen. Fusion stereo. Mercury vessel view. Fly-by-wire Mercury controls. Windlass anchor. Porta potty. Still smells like new in here. Go ahead and shut it. Oh, that's a big daddy.
There's two open.
Razor light bar.
Push stuff open and let it dry.
All right.
Careful coming off, all right? I
All right.
point towards the back of